As Apple enthusiasts prepared themselves for yet another jaw-dropping, heart-racing, tech-splurging announcement, the iPhone 16 launch didn't just deliver, it practically shot expectations into orbit. Apple, like a magician with a shiny new rabbit, unveiled its flagship device with the kind of fanfare that makes you question if you really need rent money this month. The iPhone 16 is here, and once again, we're forced to ask ourselves, do I actually need to eat? Or can I just stare at this thing all day? In typical Apple fashion, the iPhone 16 packs cutting-edge features, an expanded display, and a camera so advanced that it could probably photograph your soul. This video dives deep into everything you need to know about the iPhone 16 series, sparing no detail. From the wild rumors that turned out to be as real as Santa Claus to the actual features that make this release genuinely exciting. Get your wallets ready because Apple has, once again, found a way to make you feel like your old phone is an ancient relic. Larger displays for immersive experiences. Apple heard the cries of its fan base. Bigger is better. And they delivered. The iPhone 16 Pro now boasts a 6.3-inch display. And for those who feel like every inch counts, the iPhone 16 Pro Max brings a whopping 6.9-inch display. It's big enough to double as a dinner tray and immersive enough to make you wonder if you've accidentally fallen into the screen itself. The larger display offers more screen real estate than ever before, which is perfect for streaming movies, scrolling through TikTok for hours, or just making your friends jealous at brunch. But of course, bigger displays also mean bigger responsibilities, like trying not to drop the thing. Apple's solution? More robust materials that they swear will survive even the clumsiest butterfingers. Although, let's be real, we all know that drop-proof claim will be tested the second we step out of the store. Camera enhancements. It sees more than you do. The iPhone 16 series is all about the camera, and Apple took this very seriously. The new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the Pro models is so advanced that it could probably spot your unwashed laundry from across the room. But seriously, the iPhone 16's camera capabilities are designed to capture everything, from breathtaking landscapes to the harsh reality of that 3 a.m. selfie you really shouldn't have taken. With 5x optical zoom, it's now possible to stalk from afar with a kind of precision only previously seen in nature documentaries. And for those moments when you want to look like a pro photographer without any actual skill, Apple has included anti-reflective lens coatings and vertical rear camera alignments, so every shot feels like it belongs in a magazine. Who needs a DSLR anymore when your phone can take pictures of the moon that are clearer than what you see with your own eyes? Performance powerhouse, the A18 chip. If you thought the iPhone 15 was fast, the iPhone 16 will make it look like it's powered by a hamster in a wheel. Apple's A18 chip, manufactured with TSMC's second-generation 3 nanometers process, is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder if your phone is smarter than you. Multitasking? Easy. Graphic-heavy games? A breeze, crushing all your hopes of ever going back to a cheaper phone. Absolutely. This chip can handle anything and everything you throw at it, from casual browsing to running enough apps simultaneously to make a computer jealous. It's also designed for better heat dissipation, meaning you can play games, stream videos, and scroll endlessly through Instagram without worrying about your phone overheating. No more uncomfortable moments when your phone feels like it's trying to roast marshmallows in your pocket. Apple Intelligence. The future is now. Apple has pushed artificial intelligence to the next level with the iPhone 16's Apple Intelligence, which comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and can predict your needs before you even know them yourself. It's like having a tiny, all-knowing assistant living in your phone, quietly judging your life choices but helping you out anyway. Whether it's suggesting the perfect response to that awkward text or helping you organize your life, Apple Intelligence makes Siri look like a well-meaning but underachieving cousin. Of course, with all that intelligence, the iPhone 16 also raises the question: how long before the phone becomes self-aware and starts asking you why you still haven't achieved all your New Year's resolutions? Until then, we'll enjoy the luxury of having our phone finish our sentences. Faster charging, blink, and you're good to go. You know those days when you wake up, Realize your phone's at 5% and have a mini heart attack before rushing to find a charger? Well, Apple has heard your prayers. The iPhone 16 now supports up to 45-watt fast charging via USB-C. That's right, what once took hours can now be done in minutes, so you can charge your phone faster than you can finish your morning coffee. And with the upgraded MagSafe, you can power up wirelessly without the annoyance of perfectly aligning your phone on a charging pad. The days of slow, painful charging are behind us. Now you just need to remember to actually charge your phone before you leave the house. Apple can't help you with that part. Pre-orders and pricing. Get ready to spend big. As always, Apple knows how to build anticipation. Pre-orders for the iPhone 16 start on Friday, September 13. So set your alarms and be ready to hit refresh on your browser. The iPhone 16 starts at $799, which sounds reasonable until you realize the Pro Max starts at $1,199. Ouch. But let's be honest, Apple knows you'll pay whatever it takes to get your hands on the latest model. After all, that camera button is calling your name, and how else will you keep up with the Joneses? For those worried about price tags, Apple offers trade-in options so you can part with your old iPhone and its sentimental value in exchange for a shiny new one. And don't forget the installment plans that make it feel like you're not even spending money until you look at your bank statement. Rumor roundup, hits and misses. No iPhone launch would be complete without a slew of rumors, some accurate, some as plausible as Bigfoot sightings. The larger displays and 48-megapixel cameras? Spot on. The dramatically increased optical zoom for the Pro Max? Not so much. We also saw some wild predictions about 2 TB storage and polished titanium frames, which sadly didn't materialize. But hey, there's always next year. On the bright side, the iPhone 16's Wi-Fi 7 support, ultra-thin bezels, and color-infused rear glass were all accurate rumors. But as always, Apple loves to keep us guessing right up until the very last minute. Maybe next year we'll finally get the iPhone that makes breakfast. Is it worth the upgrade? So with all these fancy features and new technologies, is the iPhone 16 worth upgrading? If you're still holding onto an iPhone 8, then yes, definitely. But for those with the iPhone 15, it might feel like a slight step up rather than a giant leap. However, for Apple fans, every new iPhone is a necessary part of life, like air, water, and high-speed internet. The iPhone 16's larger displays, improved cameras, and faster charging might just be enough to justify the splurge. In the end, Apple has once again managed to deliver a phone that looks, feels, and acts like it's from the future. Whether that's a future you're ready to dive into depends entirely on how much you value bigger screens, smarter features, and being at the cutting edge of tech-o, and how much you're willing to part with your hard-earned cash. And that's a wrap on the latest iPhone 16 and everything you need to know about Apple's newest flagship. If you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news and reviews, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the coolest gadgets and upcoming releases.